Hi, welcome to Palai Planet. So we have got another question from trigonometry here. And the question says that cot theta plus cosec theta minus 1 over cot theta minus cosec theta plus 1 is equal to 1 plus cos theta over sine theta. And we got to prove this, that the LHS, this LHS is basically equal to the RHS. Now we are going to start with the left hand side in this question, and in most of these questions what we should do is that we should convert always all the trigonometric ratios which are like cot theta, cosec, sec, everything into sine and cos. We should try converting them as soon as possible, because that's something which really helps us in solving the question, right? So the first step is that we will pick up the left hand side, which is this, right? And we'll convert this into first sine and cos ratios. Okay, so we will write it like this, that cos theta over sine theta plus 1 over sine theta minus 1. The whole thing is divided by, again, cos theta divided by sine theta minus 1 over sine theta plus 1. Now what we are going to do is we are going to simplify it further, and for simplifying we will first focus on the numerator part of it, which is this, and in this we will take this sine theta and this sine theta as the common denominator, because then only we can simplify it. So when we do that, we will take it something like this. This is the numerator. Okay, I think I am running short of space here. So anyways, we will take this. This is the numerator, denominator, the common denominator. And what we get on the top is cos theta plus sine theta minus cos theta plus 1, sorry. So this is 1 here. This is 1. And then we have minus sine theta divided by the bottom sine theta is there, and then we have you know cos theta minus 1 and plus sine theta. Now let's further take this forward, and we will simply take it up here, and we will further simplify it, and when we simplify it we get it like sine theta and cos theta plus 1 minus sine theta divided by, again we get a sine theta here, and cos theta minus 1 plus sine theta, correct? Now what we are going to do is we are going to keep the denominator as is, and we are going to multiply this sine theta inside, and when we do that we will get sine theta cos theta plus sine theta minus sine squared theta, correct? And we take the denominator as such. All we need to remember is one thing, that in these questions there are a lot of tricks which get applied, and at this point of time most of the students, what they tend to do is they cancel out this sine theta with this sine theta, and they get stuck and they are not able to solve this question further. So don't commit this mistake, keep them as is, use this sine theta inside this bracket and get it into this form, rather than canceling them out. So you got to be very careful in trigonometry. Now we know that this sine squared theta can be converted into another form, and because we know that sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos squared theta. Correct? That's the relationship which we already know, right? So we will use this and we will put this, the value of this sine squared theta in here, right? So let's do that. And when we do, we will get something like this, sine theta. And again, from this particular term, we take the sine theta common. So we get sine theta and we get cos theta plus 1. And this is minus 1 plus cos squared theta. Correct? So this is how we get. At the bottom, we have the same thing. Sine theta cos theta minus 1 plus sine theta. Now here again, this particular thing is, okay, what we will do is we will keep it like this, right? And now let's just relook at this. This particular term is nothing but the another form of 1 minus cos theta bracket 1 plus cos theta. Correct? This is what it is. And now we will write it like that. So we will write it in that form. We will expand it, sine theta cos theta plus 1, and we will expand this particular thing into this form, right? So we will write it like 1 minus cos theta and 1 plus cos theta. Correct? Now, at the bottom, we have the same thing, which is sine theta cos theta minus 1 plus sine theta, right? Now, from the numerator, from the top part, we are going to take something which is common, and the common is cos theta plus 1, right? This is common in both the terms, correct? So let's take that common, and once we take it common, we get something like this. We get it like, cos theta plus 1, because this is something we have taken common, and we get sine theta minus 1 plus cos theta, correct? Divided by sine theta, and we have the same thing, which is cos theta minus 1 plus sine theta. Now this whole bracket gets cancelled with this, and we finally get 1 plus cos theta over sine theta, which is nothing but the RHS form of the equation we had here. Right? So this is how we have proved that this particular left hand side is equal to this right hand side. I hope you guys could understand. This was a simple question. In case you have any of the doubts or any of the comments, you can always share with me and shall get back to you. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye, and do take care.